What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Rad and Dad channel video, or welcome if it's your first time. Either way, very glad to have you. Yes, I know I'm wearing the same shirt and whole outfit as I was last video. I'm filming several videos back to back today. My wife is out of town, so I'm trying to take advantage of the time that she's not going to be here anyway with me, that I can do this. That way I'm with her more when she's here. All right, bars. You guys saw the thumbnail. We're changing out the bars. Let's roll the intro. Start the job.
Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a
All right, so the bars that come stock on the Super Low 883, at least in this year, to my knowledge, I forget if they're either 7 or 8 inches, but I'm pretty sure they're 7 or 8 inches. That's what I was able to find on Google. Obviously, I don't have the manual for this or, all the exact specs or whatever, because I didn't buy it brand new. We went with the Burly brand narrow Apes, which fit Sportster frames better. They're not like the gigantically wide Apes that you would get on like a Road King or a Street Glide kind of stuff like that, or Road Glide. But these are the narrow ones in chrome because we're keeping the chrome look, and these are 12-inch. The reason I went with 12 and not a little bit higher, even though I was kind of debating on a 13 or a 14 type, is because this specific kind of triple tree mount, they make 1 and 2 inch riser adapters for where the speedometer mounts and the top clamp for the handlebars mount. I had one on my other Super Low, so I know those exist, so I'd rather go an inch or two shorter than I want for the final height and do that, just add those inch or twos on, rather than go too tall and have it be too tall for me to actually use. So we got the 12-inch from Burly. We're gonna take this off. In the future, I have new LEDs, I have new grips, I have new clutch and all that stuff. So this video, we're just gonna strip everything off of the bars, let it hang, because we're gonna be replacing damn near everything up here anyway. We're gonna install the new bars exactly how I want them for the position. That'll be the end of this video, and then the next videos will show all the hand controls. Hopefully the audio is good in this also. Something weird happened in the audio last one. Towards the end of it, I have no idea what happened, but it's very upsetting. So we're gonna go ahead and, well, I'll take these out when it's later of the wrapping. I don't want to ruin them. Hopefully there's nothing weird going on with them or blemishes or whatever. We're gonna go ahead and strip everything off these handlebars, take the handlebars off, put these on and get them fitted to how I want them. so the bars are on. Off camera, sat on the bike a few times, got them exactly where I wanted them. Didn't worry about the hand controls or anything because, like I said, we're going to do that later. You saw me do 2 bolts. That was just to kind of find out where I wanted it. After I did that, I put blue Loctite, or thread locker. Technically it's not. It's Perma Thread or whatever the brand is. Technically it's not Loctite, but, you know, like Kleenex thing. Blue thread locked the other 2 bolts that weren't in there, drove those home, then took those out, blue thread locked those, put those home, and then torqued them down to, of course, the specified torque specs per the Harley Davidson manual. Here we go. Here's the bars. Also, if you didn't know already, this is a Dakota digital speedometer. Came on the bike when I got it. Pretty sweet, though. So, yeah, here we go. Bars are done. I think they look pretty good. They feel cool. This is the first kind of ape or mini ape hanger style I've ever had, which is it's fun. So here we go. Stay tuned if you want to see. I got levers, really new levers, like not just inserts. I'm going to do a brake job on it because I'm replacing all that kind of stuff. I'm replacing the cables. All my research shows that the electric lines should be good. If they're not, I'm going to have to cut and solder some stuff. I got a ton of wire that I can just cut and solder and some heat shields, so I'm not worried about that. Everything else definitely has to be replaced as far as the brake line, the throttle, actuating and return cables, and the clutch line. Those all have to be replaced as well, which I have. I got those from Magnum Shielding. God, it's bright out there. So, yeah, all those are future videos. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. Appreciate it. The description, or in the description, will be the link for these bars. Check it out if you want it. Hopefully the audio worked this video and I didn't have any issues. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you very much. Until the next time, ride safe, have fun. Dad out.